Hey guys, welcome back to Voltage Learning. In today's circuit, we've got a simple series circuit with several resistors, DC voltage sources, and current sources all in series. We need to find the voltage across our load, the one at the very right of the circuit. So while this might look like a complicated circuit with a lot of different varying components, we can break this down into three simple steps and then do a quick little sanity check at the very end. So in step one, first we must define the current. According to the law of current conservation, since this is a series circuit, the current must be the same throughout the entire circuit since it's not really being divided anywhere. Since we have a 2 amp current source in the series circuit, we know that the entire circuit current must be 2 amps regardless of the DC sources within the circuit. Now, this understanding makes it very simple for step number 2. In step 2, now we can apply Ohm's law to the load resistance. We know that Ohm's law is equal to V equals IR. In this case, I is going to be equal to 2 amps, which we established in step number 1, and R is going to be the value of our load, which is 100 ohms. Therefore, this turns into V equals 2 amps times 100 ohms equals 200 volts. Now in step 3, let's do a quick little sanity check. We know that both voltage and current must be conserved. In this case, we know the voltage doesn't really matter, so voltage is conserved. However, current must also be conserved, and that 2 amps flows through the entire circuit, and we use it in step number 2 in our Ohm's law calculation. Therefore, we know that the current is conserved. So what does this ultimately mean? This means that the 200 volts we calculated in step number 2 is going to be the voltage across our load. Therefore, we can write VR load is equal to 200 volts, which happens to be our final answer. And that's pretty much it. We solved a complicated circuit with different types of components in 3 simple steps, including a sanity check. So if you want similar types of circuits or more help, visit us at voltagelearning.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.